Ini press meet ke phana ko abangke non alam so hite election formal campaign ma gelong de so masih kate weben mathasi masa press meet bangke joint press conference thai yes dan KSC itu meeting dah sta joint press conference so masih Ningkan thom kep ranan kep lo SC tu KSC KNC andalon kep lapan ke dan ningkan thom kep ranan kep 38 years abang ke we were speaking against court Congress and so I think people stand on these two parties is clear, and they are fully aware about the activities of BJP Congress. Today, masih ini yang press conference sebangke, rada pentingnya loh, posisi BJP dan Congress itu pakai jadi itu del. Tak EPSLC pan bangke. Rad tum
presmen tu bangsa
a party tingko amatsi aot atu chini pame baja langso posi ini ya press conference alam bake rad kanal itu media through pede itu BJP aot atu lapen konat se a political party bang itu damima itu kan yang kaku input pame EPSLC के 1960 non के दबों हम मेघालय वासे नाम के पार्टी लाफोन के अहुडीसी के नॉर्थ ईस्ट a tribal अफाना separate hill state के हैं या सॉन्ग so the movement began in 1960. But since the beginning of the SLC movement, the Nagas refused to join the APSLC-led movement because Nagas were fully aware about the hypocrisy of the APSLC leaders. In 1960, Naga took APSLC a movement and joined together. They went their own way, so they got separate state in 1963. Mijos were part and parcel of the APSLC-led separate state movement, together with the Karbi, Dimasa, Garo, Yanki, and Khasi. But later on, they discovered that APSLC leaders were very treacherous. So they left the APSLC movement in 1963. They went their own way. So Mijos got Union territory in 1972 and they got separate state in 1987. Karbipen di masa tengke APSLC movement no haki kita nak tubuh. Karbis and di masa were the good boys of the APSLC and Congress. And several rounds of talks were held between leaders of the APSLC and the central government, involving even the state government during the time. But what actually transpired in a discussion between the APSLC leaders and the central government were not revealed to the Karbi and Dimasa leaders. Therefore, Karbi and Dimasa leaders were not aware about the content of the bill that was introduced in Parliament to create an autonomous state for Meghalaya in 1969. And we came to know about the content of the bill just before the creation of the then autonomous state of Meghalaya in 1969. Karbi and Dimasa were happy that they will also be getting statehood. So they went to attend a business conference at Tura in Garo Hills in 1969 with great expectation. But when the secretary of the APSLC read out his secretarial report, it was known that Karbi and Dimasa were kept at the option level, and then we were only given the option. That means council, autonomous council of both the districts, then Dadeno District Council, North Kasai Hills Autonomous Council, and Mittu Hills District Council need to convene a special session and adopt a resolution on autonomous state. That was not done. That could not be done because the Congress blocked the entire process. Delegates from Karbi Anglong and Dimasa, we protested in the delegate session of the APSLC itself. In the meantime, the bill was introduced and passed in Parliament, and we missed the bus. And because of the blunder and because of the betrayal made by the APSLC and Congress in 1969, we continue to remain in Assam, and we are bound to launch a new movement. That is the autonomous state movement led by KSA and KNC on 17 May 1986. It is just because of the betrayal of the Congress and the APSLC. Lasi, hai kaduk ya lam, rat ankan ye, penlang solam eka cini ne kali kaduk we nono lama APSLC leader tu cini ne datang. Seta jai kathar ke cini, ate jai kathar ke alam maksud Silong lu purhi bom na. Jai kathar apu pasal ini kathar ka APSLC movement long involved election tak perlu. Lapan jai kathar ini kat ling siapa? Long sordar pu kathar son ing ti tu ba. Kalau tak, langsung. Dengan tidak. Lapen bahasa ini kata bangke Karbi Southern North East ada kata. Jeta jai kata ke lahai kata ke historical truth. Alama ba. Rada kata ke APSLC ali nonolong alama dakar biang loma APSLC ali dar mata lah salama ba han. Kata ke itu medikna. Kata ke non diklar atau cini dia kata. Jeta labangso historical blunder ala bangke at least Jai Kathar is fully aware. Hello, 1969 blunder bang. Lapan kala 1969 mistake bang ke. 1972 aningkan North East reorganized route correction claim ni. Seta that was also not done. Claim later intentional. Hello, Johnston conspiracy tu bang. Congress kan, lah APSLC tu. Macam Congress atau ke ruling board in council, state government, central government. Lalu, alama pakai. Nasi, halaknya historically Karbi lapen di masa pan APSLC lapen Congress tu nangkap three alam. Non tumi ben pini alam tak, tu aku percu baik bom lah. Masalah percu baik bom lah. Latung pulo Cukidam Tang Council election ho within a period of 6 months, council election, council bang ke re-election tu tipo, Dr. Kuliram Rong hang apan ke kapisun lo, EPSLC atun si election da hypo, council long cari long po, jaya kathar si CM po, contract kaci thak po, sakuri kaci thak po, masih dak educated youths, tu pak po. Seta napo cekliam trok par pela mohon anta council of trans dengan pos ke plane alam tum pulo high court along case pidamet lo na to order ke high court along ta case higher lo pusi hal bang so order ke na to PC election am lo no na dihu MPI election no hok election campaign alo ta EPSLC ad leader atau re-election alam no hok lagi kita negeje ko people se neje ayada alam tu pulo high court along case high end lo pidamet lo thanda no akes jujjalan di thanda no ane tum par sidam delat lo alam tu thanda no kopia polisi EPSLC atum high court along re-election apu thak case pn lo pa case atau kopia polisi high court along par sidam ayada why do they fail to pursue the case on re-election in high court BJP along dan tangka cuan Denmark election manifesto along da lam thia re-election apu thak EPSLC atum election manifesto along non election meeting along tan no hok na neje ay kopia pot why lalu mang hukum masih dicek, jadi tu kita tahu bang ke BJP long prinsip poisa bangke, pasti election meeting long ta re-election alam bang yang dia hebat lo high court long ta lalu case parsi dah hebat, lalu pulu non tribal amen, parau amen, kice amen, voter list pening kanan, lalu kacubai mati, lalu high court long case high edlo, nama orang dek high order. Kupisi paro kice pan idut pak panta amening tham punya dia ro lasi lata kapa cube rada pan pathurpa non thurpa ka phike election manifesto long ta lama mata tokten non lo election meeting ke jai katha kan to kopta nja ye even Anton Inti ta nja ye Bikram Hanse ta nja ye Samson Teron ta nja ye Rajan Timung ta nja ye Rajesh Visu ta nja ye majok a EPSLC abidar da non tribal amen voter list dan kathan alam election campaign along ningje hai last ningkan po Congress dan BJP pan ke sorsa sedatsi EPSLC apan lok ESC apan lok sika sorsa ningkan polo nangka sorsa nili apa lahelo nili tum ESC kan titok jeba nili tum cicanglu regional party puro pot Chokti bini, nili tum kubom lo lagi regional party kali ti election commission lo lokta registration ta avela lapen laptuma bangke Meghalaya lo samham kite dakar bang lo regional party kali ta kubom lo seta non nomination paper lo eklanda ko nomination paper lo ke independent pusida ke chitok na ko poster lo independent pulo tumi digolo apo tun print lo within bracket EPSLC vote for JI Qatar independent candidate within bracket EPSLC. EPSLC itu tajik ada EPSLC kali JI Qatar candidate long ni dah itu. Candidate kalau MP long independent long talang isi MP candidate, kalau EPSLC dah kan talang isi MP candidate. Double lo. Alang tum pulo jadi itu simbol ke torchlight. Look, where is torchlight? Where is torchlight symbol of the EPSLC? Where has it gone? Where is torchlight symbol of the EPSLC? Where has it gone? Whether the torchlight has gone to London to look at the Queen? Lapen, the election affidavit of JI Qatar, as stated in his nomination paper, is against the customary law of the Karbi. JI Qatar ahem asor akura makse inti Qatar Karbi atum ke tribal law tribal atum particularly Karbi atum ke Jipang rida dapita suarlo tum apena akur tunde majitopte jai katar klarifikon cipilo Nehema sor ke lake Kolkata sor ke Bengali ke pulu ke lake Bengali culture lo non tribal culture lo alam ki ke situ othi Karbi customary lo tane ke othi kusitu othi pamrit ko son si apisu apan inti kathar ko pachitok tan lo lake 60 ka ti thugabang. It is an attack on the customary law of the Karbi. Langsung muni dapat nasi vote pinang ni. Do jai kata akan macam klaim apa? Kekek kangkang ratakan kepamang. Tenon uwe kimia tunggal langsung si citok ekoma. Non alam di ayah sebesar kecipulo. Tok dia kemat. Lagi nona uwe kimia tungkan kahin nu atuan di Japon. Jai kata yo si apiso aku inti kata ku citok lote netum pisi long ledet ko si akap non awe kimia akar BP akar bipu tu tinggi det ko klaim det ko lasi lake uwe kimia tungkan tuarkan tinggal di Japon. Kahin nu akrom si Japon lasor kahin nu akrom abangke jai kata Japon ke manji lasi nona election bangke jai kata ke rem victor EPSL silong ki tu mata jai kata kan vote ki pede vote ki bilo ko te lake kala kasto bari lo kan attack kar biaro na tenga bangke lake kur senem kur senem ko te kar biatom ke ada yare ngalam ki biji bangke jubir pasu pakka si bangi lut pola kan kali pulote Brahmaputra Roy, lut pen, bang ini apa anta, langroy khan along ludung pro, pati na pareng. Kali pulote, kipu along si cir pen si jor pulo, kali lo halak kursen apa si jor, lahaya hasti pinam, non Asia candidate non, BJP candidate non, Kongres candidate non, Gona Sakti halas sama non. Tarik thomke parni ke lake bisar na gitu. Jai kata rapan ke tarik thomke pinghong delu. Jadi tu ke la tarik ki counting ahunan ke rem jite rem ko high jite high ko ladang sing ton ko. Next election kasine betum bechisik ko. Jai kata ke non tarik thomke parni Karbian customary law kang law pot atai gitu ya pande cisik nang la. Kala bangsa atai to ban EPSLC as supporter a leader man endum jiba lasi EPSLC ke haye lo don to la langsung parti bang ke election jutem te prunjam po cukup masih lain lo ini press conference bang ke nang itu mat true kan rada nang pacini kita